Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can save almost anything as PDF. Whether it's a comment you find on YouTube or a Google form that you just created and you want to save it as a backup, or you just surfed online and you found something that you want to save for later use. PDF capturing is a great method to do so, and we're going to discuss it in this video. So the first thing we are going to do is to find something to print as PDF. And for that, open Google or open any other web browser that you would like to view and search for something that you would like to print. For example, I'm going to search for pizza. I'm going to choose this one, and here I have a website that delivers pizza and it looks nice, and I want to read into it later on without using my internet connection. So I need to find a way to save it, and this is where printing into PDF comes handy. So to start, I'm going to click on Customize and Control Google Chrome, then Print, or I can do the same thing by holding Control Print, Control P or Control Print, and I get to the same place. Now here it usually points to your printer. I currently don't have a printer connected to my device, but if you do, you will have something like a fax or a printer presented here in the destination. What you should do to print this PDF is to change it into something else, and that something is Microsoft Print to PDF. Good, so now we're going to select it, and before we press on print, I want to make sure that I have everything that I want and nothing extra. So if I look in this preview, I can see that I have 2 pages, but I would like to save only the first page. To do that, I'm going to Pages, Custom, and I'm going to select my range. For this example, I'm going to put 1, because I only need 1 page. And here I can choose between color or black and white, in case I want to print it and save some ink. Now, let's press print, and it will open this menu. Here I can see that file name is empty, waiting for me to decide. I'm going to call it pizza, and the type is PDF document. Now I'm going to save it to downloads, and here if I go to downloads, I should be able to find the PDF file named pizza with everything saved. So this is how you use the tool to save almost anything in a PDF format. To install the printer, I'm going to move myself up here, and then we need to click on Start, Devices and Printers, and then we can continue. But in case you don't have this option to click on Devices and Printer directly, we can search for it. So search Devices and Printers, and then you'll get to the same place. Now here is my Microsoft Print to PDF. I already have it installed. To add the printer, click on Add the Printer. The printer that I want isn't listed. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Choose printer port 1, and then Microsoft, and here should be the printer, the Microsoft Print to PDF. In my list, the printer is not going to appear because I already installed the printer on my computer. On my list there is no Microsoft Print to PDF because I already installed it on my computer. In yours, you should find Microsoft Print to PDF somewhere in this list. Then you click on it, next, and install. Now, after you finished your installation, you need to exit everything and click on devices and printers again, and make sure that you see Microsoft Print to PDF. Now, after we finish doing this section, we can go to Control Print to almost any website, and the option of Microsoft Print to PDF should be shown in this menu. Thank you for watching and enjoy printing.